In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jira and Confluence in Atlassian Cloud for real-time project and documentation tracking. If your software requirements live in one place, your sprint backlog lives somewhere else, and your technical documentation sits in a separate workspace, things can get messy fast. Teams often waste time copying links manually, updating the same information twice, and trying to keep release notes aligned with live project work. The good news is that Atlassian Cloud makes this process much easier when the built-in integrations are set up correctly. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Atlassian Cloud site, or sign in through the official Atlassian login page using your own secure credentials. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the top right area of the screen and click the settings gear. This is where you'll access the site-wide configuration options needed for the connection. After that, go into the products section. From there, move to the left-hand sidebar and scroll until you find application links under the integrations area. Open that section to access the main hub where cross-product connections are managed. This is where Atlassian shows the integrations available across your cloud environment. When the application links page opens, look for Confluence in the list of connected products. If your site already uses both Jira and Confluence in the same cloud environment, the connection may already exist. Even so, it's worth checking. Click Configure or Connect, depending on what you see, and complete the authorization prompts to confirm the connection. This step makes sure data can move properly between your project work and your documentation. Once the global connection is confirmed, open the specific Jira project you want to tie to a Confluence space. In the left sidebar, select Project Settings, then choose Pages or Confluence Integration, if that's what your version shows. Click Connect a Space, select the documentation space you want to link, and save your changes. This creates a direct relationship between the project and its related documentation, which makes team navigation much more efficient. If you prefer to work directly inside Confluence while writing, there's also a faster shortcut. Place your cursor inside a page, type /Jira, and press Enter. That opens the Jira macro tools right where you're typing, allowing you to search for issues, embed live ticket tables, or create new Jira items without interrupting your writing flow. Before you finish, run a quick validation check. Open a Jira issue and look for the Confluence Pages panel. Make sure the linked page titles, document statuses, and updated timestamps appear correctly. If everything is showing as expected, your integration is live and ready to support real-time collaboration. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.